reporter, and today I will be unboxing the new iPhone SE for Today in iOS. Let's get started with the unboxing.
Cut away from yourself.
I am not a Boy Scout. That's for sure. Alright. Did I get everything? I got it. Alright. So it should just come out. There we go. Minimal packaging. Again, we always like to see the minimal packaging on this. I should probably
It should come out right there. It should be loose. See if you can pull it out.
I could just minimal packaging. Like I like to say, Apple, taking care of the environment with the packaging.
All right, now is it in plastic? You're gonna have to cut it again.
Actually, no. It's
just pull the tab.
Yeah,
All right.
I mean, they've had these pull tabs for forever. I like this look of the screen. I like that. But my mom hates it. This is the phone for my mother, so yeah. Nothing in there. As you can see, the phone. But before we get to that,
What do we got in there? We got stickers?
I think we got stickers. Apple with the stickers!
Yes.
Finally, stickers. We got a SIM card.
Okay. All right, we're gonna need that. Let's keep that aside.
So, things we want go here. Things we don't care about.
All right, no.
Yeet.
No yeeting.
Yeet into this.
All right, thank you.
Inside.
Why don't we keep that closer?
And then next, I don't know how I want to get that out.
Okay, so we
I'm
got the phone.
I'll bring that closer because this is what everyone's here for.
All right, be careful. Back up a little bit. Yep. Show us what else is in the box.
So, as you can see, it comes with the low voltage power brick, which we suggest to get the higher voltage power brick, which has some wrapping, which we can never get enough of these.
All right, let's put that over with the phone. Put it over with the phone.
And this goes into the yeet bin.
All right, and it got headphones that come with it.
And it comes with the...
all right, don't unpack them. Just leave them aside.
My mom's going to want these. So.
All right.
And this is what we really...
All right, the dog is grabbing the brick. We don't want the dog to grab the brick. And we don't want you to kneel on the phone.
We got a cord. I almost kneeled on the phone.
Yeah.
Well, yes, we did get the charging cord, which...
All right, why don't you back up so that, yeah. There we go.
This is really what comes with it. This is... Over here is all that you really care about.
Did we mention we do the most chaotic and hectic unboxing videos on the interwebs? All right, so we got that. What else is there? And we got the cord. Where's the charging cord? Which charging cord came with it?
This one.
What is it? Is it USB?
USB.
To Lightning. All right, and where's the boxes?
Boxes. Yeah, and trash. So yeah, for now we can just put our good trash, all the bad trash in here, and yeah. Well, this part's not interesting, so just leave.
All right, how's the phone feel?
The phone feels light and nice, so it feels comfortable in the hands of a user, I feel like. And if you like a small phone, this is the phone you've been waiting for, but you could really just go with like the iPhone.
And why don't we keep the dog from...
But if you want a home button, the SE is the phone for you. It has the home button, so there is no button push, but it feels like you're pushing down a button.
All right. We'll talk more about this on episode 495 of Today in iOS. So go to todayinios.com. Look for episode 495 to get our comments and feedback. And then we talked a little bit about the iPhone SE specs. And no, those go to your mom. And you can listen to episode 494 to hear more specs on the iPhone SE.
This is the iPhone 6 Plus.
Come in closer and show the difference between the sizes of the two.
Can I take it out of the case?
Don't.
I mean, this one's in a case, so you can't compare case.
So you can see the two. All right. And so that's the size difference between the two. So it's compared to, that's the iPhone 6 Plus versus the iPhone SE, which is really the iPhone 8, and where SE stands for same except. All right, again, Today in iOS, episode 494 for the technical specs, episode 495 for our feedback and comments.